Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to our music time. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to you all.
Kia ora!
Malo lele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes,
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
Now we have 3 clues right here beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Can you please help us out with the clues? Thank you.
Alright, let's start at the top. Clue tuatahi, our first clue. Do you know what this is? Ai ka pai. It's an eagle, an ekara.
Clue tuarua, right here. Do you know what it is? That's right, it's a frog, a poraka.
Alright, our last clue is right here beside us. Do you know what this is? Ai ka pai, they're numbers. It's actually counting i te Reo Māori all the way to rima. Should we practice it? Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima. Well done. We have all 3 clues. We have an ekara, an eagle. We have a poraka, a frog. And we have the numbers tahi, rua, toru, wha, and rima.
Ooh, I know what song we're going to sing today. It's our warm-up song, Body Shapes.
That's right. This is our song where we've got 2 friends that are joining us, Stickman and our nephew Kiani, who are going to help us make some different shapes with our bodies. So you're going to have to jump up for this song.
Alright, I'm going to count to toru and let's go have a sing-along. Tahi, rua, toru.
Let's make some shapes with our bodies today. Some shapes are big and some are small. Let's make the shape you see with your body. Try hard not to fall.
Oh, here's our first shape. It's an ekara, an eagle. Alright, see if you can hold the shape. We're going to count to rima and try really hard not to fall. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ka pai.
Let's make some shapes with our bodies today. Some shapes are big and some are small. Let's make the shape you see with your body. Try hard not to fall.
Alright, this one's our our flamingo. Can you balance on one foot and make a long neck with your arm? Are you ready? Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima. Well done. Great balancing.
Let's make some shapes with our bodies today. Some shapes are big and some are small. Let's make the shape you see with your body. Try hard not to fall.
Okay, this is a good one for all you ballerinas out there. We're going to squat down nice and low for our poraka pose, our frog pose. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima. Well done. Alright, here's the last one.
Let's make some shapes with our bodies today. Some shapes are big and some are small. Let's make the shape you see with your body. Try hard not to fall.
Okay, here's our last one. It's my favourite. It's our kuri, our running dog. You need to go on all 4s, put one arm up and one leg. Are you ready? Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima. Well done. Those were some great shapes you made with your body.
That was so cute. I loved dancing along with our nephew Kiani.
What was your favourite body shape?
Ooh, that's a good one. Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara. It's time to remember those 3 things that we learned at the beginning. Here's our first one. Starts with the sound e, eka, ekara, an eagle.
Our second one starts with the sound P, paw, Poraka, frog.
And our last one in numbers. The first number is tahi, rua, toru, wha, and rima. Well done. Hey, we hope you enjoyed making those different shapes with your body. Big thank you to Kiani and Stickman for helping us with this song. Alright, let's go sing our goodbye song together.
Goodbye everybody, it's time to go. Goodbye everybody, we'll miss you so. Ka kite ano, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey koneira. Goodbye, hey koneira.
Whoa, hey you! Make sure to like and subscribe down below so that you can watch my mum and auntie's videos. Loopy Tunes! Ooh.